Oh my god! Oh my god, he's been found! Oh my god! Ah!
Hey guys, who's been found?
Samuel Bird has been found! Ah! Oh my god!
Really?
Uh-huh.
That is so good to hear. I'm glad that he has been.
But sadly, he deceased.
You mean they found him deceased? Right?
He's deceased.
Yeah, I know. I kind of gathered that, but good
We
news.
had hopes that he would still be alive.
There was that slight hope, yes.
But I'm happy he was found.
So am I. That is good news.
Search is over.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
But anyways, so to the Bird family, we're happy to hear that he was found. Just upset that it wasn't the outcome we thought it would be. But anyways, just keep this short. We're happy that he was found, and we're going to go for now, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.